In the high-stakes world of industrial material handling, a single error can result in costly damage, serious injury, or even loss of life. Traditional training methods often fall short in preparing crane operators for the precision and awareness required on the shop floor. Introducing the Pendant-based EOT crane simulator by Aatral, a cutting-edge VR solution designed to train operators before they ever touch a real crane. This VR Pendant crane simulator includes multiple learning kits, such as the guided mode, step-by-step training with voice and visual assistance.
In case of an emergency, press the emergency button.
Practice mode, hands-on exploration to build muscle memory at your own pace. Assessment mode, performance evaluation under real-time scenarios. Quiz mode, quick knowledge checks to reinforce safety rules and operation basics. Master crane control, develop the skills to lift, move, and position loads with accuracy, sharpening spatial awareness and depth perception. Face real-world challenges, tight clearances, tricky lifts, and complex paths, all within a safe, immersive environment. With integrated analytics, Daxer's extended reality, track progress, improve decision-making, and ensure your team is field-ready. Train safer, operate smarter, lift with confidence. Aatral's Pendant Crane VR Simulator, where skill meets simulation.